Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for finals in 2 days updated. Start by listing every exam topic and rank them by weight and difficulty, then pick the top priorities. Break study into focused 50-minute blocks with 10-minute breaks. Use active recall and spaced repetition even within 48 hours, quiz yourself, and teach key concepts aloud. Stay hydrated, eat simple protein, and sleep when needed to consolidate memory before each exam. Gather concise resources and ditch long textbooks unless essential. Create a one-page cheat sheet per subject summarizing formulas, dates, and key definitions. Prioritize problem sets, past exams, and high-yield chapters. Use whiteboard or voice notes to explain tough concepts, then switch subjects every 2 blocks to avoid mental fatigue. Limit social media, set phone to do not disturb, and use ambient instrumental music only if it helps you maintain steady focus. Quick recommendation: if you want to stay hydrated during marathon study sessions, check out the Owala water bottle for easy sipping and spill protection. It's roomy, keeps drinks cold, and fits cup holders for campus or car. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Look in the description for the link and more deals on study gear. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Allocate study time by exam priority and remaining gaps, aiming for 3 focused sessions per subject if possible. Do 1 full-timed practice exam to simulate conditions and identify weak spots. Sleep at least a short restorative cycle before the test, and prepare materials and snacks the night before. On exam day, arrive early, scan the paper, answer easy questions first, and mark harder problems to return to with a calm mindset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.